Najboljši prijateljici Eleanor Hamby in Sandra Hazlip, Ellie in Sandy, sta dokaz in zgled, da nikoli ni prepozno. Za življenje, za prijateljstvo, za potovanje.
You're never too old to have a best friend, because how old were we?
We were 60 years old when we met.
Njune poti so prepletene že 25 let. Prvič sta se srečali na seminarju za zdravniško odpravo v Zambijo. Ellie je bila dokumentarna fotografinja in direktorica zdravniške odprave v Zambiji, kjer je več let tudi živela. Sandy, ki se je študija medicine lotila šele pri 39 letih, je bila specialistka geriatrije ter paliativne oskrbe, strokovna vodja hospica ter predsednica Teksaškega geriatričnega združenja. Potujoči babici, zvezdi družbenih omrežij, je združila ljubezen do prostovoljstva, potovanj, spoznavanja novih kultur.
And it was interesting too on all our social media, particularly on TikTok. 95%, and they're young people that are on TikTok, it was all about a best friend. Tagging your bestie, this has got to be us. Oh, I wish I had a friend like that. And we just so much tell people, look, you need to be a friend, you need to have a friend.
Načrte za potovanja sta začeli kovati pri Ellie doma, kjer je Sandy dvakrat tedensko prenočila, ker je v njenem mestu pomagala ustanoviti geriatrično bolnišnico.
After our husbands died, then one evening I said to Ellie, I've always wanted to ride the Trans-Siberian train. So we rode the Trans-Siberian train together.
And then we took a trip to Southeast Asia, then we went to the Middle East. We have a tendency to run into problems, places we go. The war started while we were in Syria, so it was, and we're sleeping in a Bedouin tent. It was a little bit, but once we realized we can do it, we don't get scared.
In potem sta po zgledu romana Žila Verna obkrožili svet v 80 dneh. Vsaka na svoji strani kuhinjskega pulta sta sestavljali seznam svetovnih čudes in mest, ki jih želita obiskati.
So then, in anticipation of getting old and turning 80, I mentioned to Ellie one day, wouldn't it be fun to go around the world in 80 days at age 80? And Ellie?
I said absolutely, but COVID shut that down, so we went around the world in 80 days at age 81 and still on the run.
In kako je v njuno zgodbo prišla Slovenija? Sredi Tokija, na najbolj zasedeni železniški postaji na svetu, zabeleženi tudi v Guinnessovi knjigi rekordov, sta srečali Slovenca.
We were looking for a trip to Mount Fuji.
And we were 2 hours in the train station. No luck. And this young man walks up to us. We have our Around the World shirts on. And he says, I know you. And we said,
you know us?
Yeah, what? You know us? He said, yes. I'm Ziga from Slovenia. And I read about you in the London Daily Mail. And the words that Ziga said, you know, what I had to do today was not that important. I'm going to help you ladies get your ticket to Mount Fuji. And he did.
He did. And what a thrill that was.
Navdihujočo zgodbo o popotovanju Ellie in Sandy je na družbenih omrežjih zasledila tudi novinarka prvega programa Radia Slovenija Andreja Čokal. Pisala jima je in pred natanko 2 letoma je pogovor z njima objavila v Storžu, oddaji o aktivnem staranju. Prek družbenih omrežij pa je Andreja Čokal uspela tudi najti Žigo. Ob obisku Slovenije se Sandy in Ellie z njim žal nista mogli srečati, ker je bil v tujini. Spoznali pa sta njegovo mamo in sestro.
You know, we remember Mount Fuji, but we'll never, ever forget Ziga for helping us. When we speak in the United States, we always use Ziga as an example of the goodness in the world.
Sandy in Ellie sta bili v Sloveniji samo dobre 3 dneve, a sta vseeno uspeli videti precej. Ljubljano, Postojnsko jamo, Predjamski grad, Bled.
Well, it's just been amazing. I really didn't know what to expect.
I have been to caves, but not like the cave that we went to here. Oh
Yeah,
my goodness, huge, big, just amazing.
Well, we are the Traveling
Traveling
Nanas, and we're on what kind of adventure?
This is our European adventure.
Yes, and
We are 84 and we want more.
Potovanja si vedno organizirata sami, izbirata manjše, skromnejše nastanitve.
yes, and so we did have one tour that was given to us, a full 18-day tour of New Zealand, and it was very nice. But you know, the only people we met were tourists.
We loved to meet people and to feel that we are a part of their culture and their community.
In life,
We say, Gail, may you treasure friendship and live with joy and adventure.
I want to be these two when I grow up.
Na družbenih omrežjih, predvsem na TikToku pa, kot pravi spletni vplivnici, poleg posnetkov potovanj tudi oglašujeta raznorazne stvari, ki pridejo prav popotnikom. Pravita, da ju na njunih potovanjih vse pogosteje sprašujejo o ameriški politiki, a o tem nista želeli razpravljati pred kamero. Upata, da svet in ZDA čakajo svetlejši dnevi.
I mean, we both had
Right.
tragedies. We both lost our husbands.
Right.
And that was tough to go through. But, you know, out of that horrible tragedy, a beautiful friendship happened. So you never know what doors, you know, that chapter, right, Sandy?
Those chapters are over, but the book is not over.
Yes. And that's what we tell people. Just because you have difficulties doesn't mean that you can't go on.
Pomembno je spoznavati druge kulture in pomagati, pravita. Tako so bile tudi v zrelih letih del njunega življenja še vedno tudi medicinske humanitarne misije.
And then I went every other year for 20 years. I would take one grandchild to Africa, one grandchild to Russia, one grandchild to Africa, back and forth, and then other places.
Kot pravita, tudi knjiga, ki jo tedni in tedne predstavljata po Evropi, ni samo knjiga o potovanjih, ampak zgodba o veselju do življenja in o ljudeh. Lekcije za neustrašno življenje dveh potujočih babic.
We tell people to
Get up out of your easy chair, step out of your comfort zone, make a list of things to do, and live.
So now we're doing one continent at a time. First we went to South America, then we went to Oceania, and now we're in Europe for this year. And each year we have a new theme, because, you know, we were 81, still a run, and when we were South
80,
America, 82, and
we're
not through. And then when we went to Oceania, we were 83 with more to see.
And now we're in Europe, and we are 84, and we want more.
And Sandy just turned 85, okay? and just 2 days ago. Her slogan is,
I'm 85 and still alive.
Thank you.